Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar, the most traded pair. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. And let's check out the brokers and the prop firms. So go ahead, sign up with the broker and start a new demo account. If you don't want to go live for now, start a demo account because I don't want you to mix my signals with your existing trading account, okay? So if you want to trade with my signals in the coming future, make sure you have a separate broker account and only trade, in that account with my signals, because I will ask you in the future, what is my signals accuracy of winning profits and all that, okay? So yeah, if you will be connected with my Telegram in the future, you will give me your feedback that how many you have in winning and all that, okay? So make sure you trade in a separate account with my signals. That's for future. So go and check out these links to our Telegram and subscribe and like and all that. Coming back to the analysis now with the top-down approach, starting with weekly time frame here. So in weekly, what do we have? We did not make a new high. So this was the previous high, which was not broken by this candle. So more likely it's a trend reversal. More likely we're going to go down in weekly now, okay? Again, this high did not break the previous high in the weekly. So we're supposed to go down, but weekly is too far. It's not going to tell us what's happening today. For today, let's get back to daily chart. In daily chart, we have broken this high, okay? This previous high is broken by this high. So right now we're taking a pullback. Yeah. Cool. Right now we're taking a pullback. I still think we're going to go up. Okay. I think we are at least going for this high or this high in daily. Okay. So my hopes are still looking for longs in Euro USD, this thing called daily chart. Okay. So because this high is broken. Okay. This high is broken. So pull back and then we should go up. Okay. But when shall we enter? Let's go back to 4 hour for that. And by the way, if you watch my yesterday's Euro USD video, if you go and watch my yesterday's Euro USD video, you will see that I told you that we will touch down this EMA and then we will have the rejection and then we will continue upwards. Okay. So yesterday I was in the sell trade in Euro USD, which completely worked out for me. I entered at 1382 and I told you it will touch down to 1311. I took my like 70 pips. Okay. 70 pips was for me yesterday. So yeah, I told you this will touch out the EMA and then we had a blue candle. Now when shall we enter long or short? Here it's quite easy actually if you look into my, if you look from my eyes. Okay, as soon this previous high is broken by the next blue candle, you enter long. As soon this previous low is broken, then that means we will continue down, okay? So right now we are consolidating sideways ranging market, okay? So we'll have to wait for a new candle. So again, if this previous high is broken by the coming blue candle, then enter long, take your profit here. If this low is broken by any red candle, then wait for the pullback and then go down, okay? So keep an eye, okay? Keep an eye because yeah, no matter how simplify I can do the analysis, the live environment is different. I mean, my videos are recorded, but live environment will always be different, and a lot of people will be confused. What should they do? Okay, from my eyes, it looks simple to me. If this high is broken, enter long. If this low is broken, then wait for the pullback and then go short after the red candle. But anyways, too much talking. So yeah, you're not paying me anything, right? So subscribe, like, do whatever it takes. Share the videos, and then join the Telegram, sign up with the broker, and I'll see you in the next analysis. To take care.